All right, everyone, I'm here with the 1998 Kawasaki KX125. So finally, tuning, working. I think 5 months later now, it's done for the most part. Just maybe we're gonna throw a little sticker kit on it and brighten it up, make it look a lot better. But it's, for the most part, it's done. So it's, you know, there's a couple things that I do want to add. They're not, like, it functions, you know, you can start, you can stop, you can ride hard, you know, it's just the little things, the plastic kit. And on the exhaust over here, it's a little rubber ring. Not so much a ring, it's just a, I'm trying to explain this, a gasket. I'll throw it up on screen what it looks like, but that piece connects the expansion chamber when it comes in, and then the muffler. Those two pieces are together, and there's like some sort of a gap where some of the exhaust can drip out. Just that little piece there. That's more a personal thing, because this bike had been running rich when we got it, and finally, after tuning it and getting it right, it now runs good. I'm still debating a little bit. It's probably still a little rich, but it doesn't smoke a lot. It doesn't bog as much as it did. It kind of bogs a little bit, so it's probably still a little bit on the rich side. Probably need to, these bugs, probably need to lean it out still. But just that piece, because since there's still a lot of gas up in the exhaust chamber and all that, I want to, well, the expansion chamber, I want to get that, first clean it, and so that it's not dripping all over the swing arm here. I'll show you what that looks like. Bring the camera over. But yeah, this is what I'm talking about. So it's just kind of caked up here. It's getting everywhere. I'm not liking that. It's just making a mess. That's the problem. So we're gonna fix that up. You see, like, yeah. But it's a piece that goes right in there. If I can get in there. Right there. So I just want to make sure that's set and good to go. But it's largely done though. All right, that's enough yapping. We're gonna get on the bike. We're gonna get riding. We're gonna ride around. So we're at our mountain property up here in between Lenore and Taylorsville in North Carolina. I'm just gonna kind of run up and down our little access road a little bit, and we'll have a separate video that's just raw POV of this bike, you know, wailing in the woods. I'm gonna take it up, I'm gonna hit some trails, you know, do a little bit of that. And then after that, hopefully within, you know, I don't know, before the end of the year, we can take it out to Henry or Carolina Adventure World and really test it out in the trails more than just kind of, you know, beating a path through the woods. So we're gonna get a start up sound check, and then we're gonna get on it and ride. Let's get into it. So here we are with the bike. Oh, geez, it's rolling. But I mean, I had a lot of fun working on this, and Dad was mentioning that on the way up here, was he had a lot of fun working on it, even though, you know, we're probably gonna sell it. We'll see what happens if we keep it. But he was saying he really liked working on it, even though we're probably, if we sell it, we're not gonna get our money out of it. And obviously if we don't sell it, we're not gonna get our money out of it. So it was kind of that. But if y'all like what we're doing, real quick before I start, if y'all like what we're doing, like and subscribe, always helps out a ton. Comment down below any questions, any sort of thing like that, you know, always read and answering comments. So stay tuned for that. Or, well, if you comment, just look out for a reply. Try and do it as quick as possible, but got a lot of other things that we're doing too, so usually it's not immediate, but nevertheless, let's get a start. Yeah, oh geez, almost dropped it. Yes, sir. Love this thing. Let's get it. So I'm gonna go up the hill. I'm just gonna take it slow, turn around in the woods, you know. All right, let's find a good spot and turn it around. This looks good. There we go.
pretty big rocks here. All right, let's get it now. Man, this thing is a hoot. This is such a fun little bike though, I love it. Two strokes are amazing. I shouldn't have got rid of that 250 two-stroke that we had. That was a lot of fun. And this thing is like that, just it doesn't have as much of an aggressive power hit. See, this bike, it's compared to like the 450s, this is, but it's just such a nice little machine. You beat through the woods like that, and it's still really light, so you don't have to worry on this thing about that extra weight it has. It still has a lot of power than most people would use, but I think it's definitely a lot more, man, you can use a lot more of it compared to a 450. So that's another good thing. Try to rip a wheelie. We're gonna go up in here and see what that's like. I think it was up through here, I believe. See, there's the one thing with this. You gotta keep your RPMs up. That's the thing with these 125s. They're not good for this. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. There we go. Oh, and I stalled. Rookie. Ow, okay. Such a rookie. It's still in gear. Let's see. We're moving again. Oh, I just ran the camera into some trees. It's kind of creeping on down through. A little bit of front, a little bit of rear. think here we go. It's gonna, look at that. All right, let's get back out there. Such a fun little machine. I said that already, but it's just the truth. It's just a great little bike. I mean, 2-stroke, carbureted. Now the carbureted, we need to get our hands on a newer like KTM kind of. Dad's been looking at one, either the 150 or the 300. But like more the EXCW, because that's what he was thinking of over like the KLX 300. Street legal, mirrors. I think I'm second gear here. Let's race. All right guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed this first ride on the 1998 Kawasaki KX125 project bike. Really excited to get this out in the actual trails, because kind of beating up through the woods here, it's not bad, but this one still is, I like it a lot. Small tweaks, it needs the fine tuning now. It's the large tune part is done, it just needs fine tuning, and then this thing will be done. And aside from a sticker kit, if you got any graphics, ideas, designs, things we should look for, definitely comment that down below. Like I said, we're always reading and answering comments, questions, concerns, things of that sort. But yeah, that's it. Speedy B here, Warfield Motor Adventures. Remember, ride safe, enjoy every ride. Peace out.